I'm Micah Potts, and this is your Daily Dose. Apparently, one shot of the COVID vaccine likely won't be enough. That's right, you heard it. It's going to take two, and they think it will be between 20 and 30 days apart. It will have serious logistical problems, and 40% of America won't take one anyway, even if it's free. So, good luck to us on that front. Amazon wins FAA approval for Prime Air drone delivery. In low-density areas, they have got approval to deliver to you in 30 minutes or less. So that's pretty exciting if you have Amazon Prime. Others who were also approved was Google's Alphabet and UPS, believe it or not. August is the first time since 2014 that San Francisco and New York one-bedroom median rents have been below $3,000. So that's exciting if you're trying to move one of these high-populated areas. This may be your chance. It could get cheaper, but it might not either. So good luck to you. GMC's Hummer is actually making a comeback, and it's going to be unlike anything you've ever seen. Next fall, 2021, they are premiering a 1,000 horsepower, 10,000 pound-foot of torque electric vehicle. It will be in 3 body styles, up to 3 motors, and have a convertible version. So should be pretty interesting. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, if you can believe that. Will you be getting one? Post down in the comments. A second stimulus check could still maybe possibly happen someday. And if things go well, it could happen in the last week here of September or the first week of October. So hopefully that happens, because gosh darn it, I know there's a lot of people in need. And these guys sitting around on their vacations aren't really helping us out very much. Google has quietly released a highly anticipated feature showing stoplights. Apparently this has been in high demand. It doesn't show whether they're green or red or yellow or anything, but it simply shows where they are. Where if you live near me, it's at every single intersection. But supposedly this was very highly in demand, and it is now in a city near you. So enjoy. Looks a lot like that little guy right there. The sea level is rising, and it's perfectly in line with our worst case scenario, according to scientists. The Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets, which hold enough frozen water to lift oceans 65 meters, are essentially doing as badly melt as we could possibly ask. Or, they're melting, it's bad. You get what I'm saying. Sea level could rise as much as 16 inches by the year 2100. So if you live on a coastline, maybe, consider getting land in Utah or the middle of the country somewhere. Good luck. In science news, Sun's long-lost twin could be in deep space, and it would explain our very deeply out there Oort cloud. Apparently, sun stars like our own often have a pair, and scientists think that we definitely had one as well, just that we will likely never find it. So, that's kind of interesting. They also think that it involves Planet 9 or Planet X or Nibiru. That's out there somewhere as well. Maybe we'll find that one before we find our twin sun. Elon Musk says settlers will likely die on Mars, but not in the bad way necessarily, just in the they've lived a long, comfortable life, helping us grow a colony out there kind of way. He at once said that he would like to die on Mars. Again, just not due to some kind of accident or something. Would you be interested in taking a one-way trip to Mars? Apparently a lot of people did, so voice your concerns down there in that little section place thingy. More science. Apparently, the one thing you can drink every day for a longer life, you guessed it, it's red wine. According to the latest study, as we already knew, I guess, it is proven once more. Thanks to the flavonoids in red wine, 1 to 2 drinks a day will extend your life greatly compared to others who don't drink at all. But if you're not a drinker, there's still good news. Tea will also do the trick. Good old tea. That will help me out because I am not a red wine drinker personally. And in things, something so complicated, I had to read it 3 times and I still don't get it. Schrodinger's Cat Paradox has new implications for quantum theory. Apparently, nothing is as it seems. I don't think I have the words to even put it to you, but the link is down there. Feel free to read it to yourself and maybe you could explain it to us. I'd love to hear more about it. That's it for today, guys. I'm Micah Potts, and I'm not wearing any pants. Like and subscribe for more shenanigans. Thanks, guys.